Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are gonna write a Python program to input a sentence and print the palindrome words from it. So first, we will take input of a sentence. So I have declared a variable named sentence in which I have taken input enter a sentence, means input of a sentence. And then I will split that sentence into words. So I will write here words equals to sentence dot split. So here split function is used to separate or can say split the words from the sentence. And afterwards, I will print the palindrome words. And now I will apply the conditions for the palindrome words. But before that, I want to explain what is a palindrome word. So a palindrome word is a word which is similar in reading from the both sides. Let's say Nitin. So the spelling of Nitin is Nitin. If we read it from the last side, it is also same. Let's take an example of mom. So the spelling of mom is MOM. So if we read from the starting, it is MOM. If we read from the last, it is MOM. Means similar. So those words which are same in reading from the both sides are called as palindrome words. So let's start a for loop as we have to declare it. So I will write here for word in words. So I will check every word in the sentence for the palindrome word. And now I will explain you as I have already explained you the condition. I will apply those conditions. So if word dot lower equals to word colon minus 1 dot lower. What does it mean? Means the first word and the last word is same. That is called as a palindrome word. So if that condition gets true, I will print that word. If not, I will not print. So this is the program which you can write into Python to do this. So let's test it out. So I have already copied a sentence which contains some palindrome words. So I will paste that here. So this is the sentence. So let's enter. So here you can see the palindrome words are mom, dad, race car. As the spelling of mom is MOM. If we read from the both sides, it is same. Similar is to the race car. If we start from the starting, like RACECAR, and same from this side, RACECAR, race car. So these are all words which are similar in reading from the both sides. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And for the source code and the resources, you can check out the description. Thanks for watching.